Navanath Bhakti Sagar, Chapter 12, Jalendra and Khanif. Fruitation. The recitation of this chapter will put out the wrath of gods and give their favor. Jalendra wanted to be generous. Jalendra wanted to do generous beneficence for the mankind. When asked by God Agni, he gave the same answer. God Agni took him to meet Lord Dattatreya. He welcomed them both. Agni said, Madan, who was buried by Lord Shankara, subsisted within me. The child that I manifested in the Somayagya of King Bhadrava is as a suitable illumination with the inherence of Antariksha Rishi. Is him, Jalendra. The king nourished him, but he doesn't want to get married like all human beings. I got him here to learn Atmavidya from you. Datta Guru answered Jalendra, are you willing to stay with me for 12 years? I will give you all the knowledge required. Jalendra agreed and stayed there. God Agni left Lord Datta, kept him in constant company, bathing in the river Ganga at dawn, followed by a Lord Vigneshwara worship, soliciting alms in Kolhapur, repassed all Pancheshwari and rest at Mahongad was the daily routine. 12 years later, when he had acquired all the knowledge, Lord Datta took him along to worship all gods. All of them gave him various boons. He also summoned the Agni god and told him, your son has become a learned and accomplished yogi. You can take him along. But instead, God Agni kept him in the Badrikavanam for another 12 years to practice aesthetism. After those 12 years, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Lord Mahesh, and also Badrinath declared him an ascetic. The son of God Agni, Jalendra, had now become Jalendranath. God Agni was extremely happy. Badrinath addressed everyone, especially Jalendranath. Prabodha, Narayana Rishi, had already arrived into mankind. But do you know where he is? Jalendra said, can you please tell me? Badrinath answered, Lord Brahma's Srujan Shakti some time ago had come down the earth from heaven. At that time, a giant Diggaja was sleeping in the Himalayas, and in his ears fell the flash of light in which Prabodha Narayana entered as a form of life. He was in a form of human baby. Someone had removed him from the ear of that Diggaj. You do that work, and since he is going to come from an ear, he will be known as Khanifnath. You gave him knowledge, and he will be your disciple. As asked by God Agni, Badrinath showed them a huge elephant moving around the Himalayas. He was so dire that if enraged, would be impossible for anyone to handle. Jalendra used the Mohanastra and the Sarpastra on him from far away. So the elephant rooted at one spot. Then God Agni, Jalendra and Badrinath alias Lord Shiva went close to him and called out, Khanif, you are an inheritance of Narayana and son of Lord Brahma. You are Prabhuddha Narayana. Come out. Lord Shankara, God Agni, and also Jalendra, the Antariksha Rishi, are calling you out. Your work is awaiting. You can now manifest. Come out. At the time, as an young ascetic peeped out of the elephant's ear, he saw Lord Shiva, God Agni, and Jalendra. He bowed and greeted them. Then Jalendra pulled him out. Lord Shankara and God Agni told Jalendra, giving him mantra diksha and knowledge is your work. Then Jalendra pronounced the bija mantra in the ears. At once Khanif's ignorance disappeared and the akshata sattvic bhava developed in him. He had a revelation of Brahma Shakshatkara. When everyone came back to Badrikashram, God Agni told Jalendra you should give him the knowledge and accomplish that Lord Datta had given you. And he took everyone's leave. Jalendra started sharing knowledge with Khanifa. Badrinath stayed there at his own will for 6 months and kept a cautious eye on his teaching. He taught Khanifa everything except the Sanjivini Vidya and the Atakastra Vidya because he was not sure if Khanif was prudent enough to use them in the right way. On the Lord Shankara's command, he solidified all the gods of Astravidya from the heaven and Hades to grant Khanif a boon. He also took a promise that they will accomplish his mantra of Shabari Vidya. Then all gods went in. Satu, Hari, Hara, Jalendra and Khanifa stayed in Badrikashram for another 4 days. Here we come to end of chapter 12 of Navanath Bhakti Sagar. Om Sai Ram.